That's right. I came from church and this bird was eating another little bird. Just like that. I didn't know what to think, so I started recording as he was piercing through the flesh of the little bird. And you can see the wing. He lifts the wing of the little bird and eats its flesh. Well, such is life, that's what Wendy said. We were going to eat the flesh of a cow as we entered the house in the form of ground beef and of a roast. These are dramatic scenes, I understand, but I had to show this video. You have to learn. Birds eat birds. That's okay for them. But I like to think of birds like the birds on Cinderella helping tie the bow, maybe other birds that are nice. I don't know what to think. This is a very disturbing thing. Today was a nice day until I saw this. I don't know what to say. In this moment, I just think of the little bird. I think of him singing, "If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh why can't I?" And he's gone.